What's going on, my fellow geeks? It's Eddie, and in this box I have the new 32 gig Apple TV 4K. I went with the 32 gig because I'm just using this box for mostly streaming and some light gaming. Let's get into the box. Here it is, very securely packaged. On the back of the box has some highlighted features. There's an app store, it has AirPlay, you can wirelessly pair this Apple TV with multiple HomePods to get a great surround sound, even though Apple has discontinued the large HomePod. You can connect this with any AirPods or Bluetooth headset. Not much other branding around the box. Let's open up and see what's inside. Opening the box, the Apple TV and remote are at the first thing you see. I just noticed that the Apple TV and remote sit in the box the same way as the picture on the front of the box. The Apple TV feels solid, not hollow like other streaming devices. We have the Apple TV Quick Start Guide and some Apple stickers. A lightning charging cable for the remote. Here's the remote. Under the remote is the power cable. That's it, nothing else. Wait, where's the HDMI cable? Come on, Apple. For the price of this streaming box, you should have included the HDMI cable. Well, if you buy an Apple TV, make sure you get an HDMI cable 2.0 or higher for the best quality. Looking at the Apple TV and removing this sticker reveals a soft textured bottom with an Apple logo. This Apple TV is rocking the A12 Bionic processor that allows 4K HDR at 60 frames a second in YouTube and other apps. On the back of the Apple TV lives the power, HDMI, and Ethernet ports. The rest of the sides are glossy with no other ports. Here is what everyone came here to see, the new Apple TV remote. A lot of people like the last gen remote. In my opinion, this remote is better to navigate with a touch capacitive scroll wheel. This remote is made of aluminum. It's a thicker remote and it has a curved back that gives it a nicer feel in the hand. Charging port on the bottom. Siri button is on the right side of the remote, same location as the iPhone. All the buttons feel clicky and responsive. Apple should have installed an H1 chip in this new remote to be able to find the remote if you lose it. Should you upgrade your Apple TV? In my opinion, no. There is not much of a performance increase. I do suggest upgrading the remote if and only if you don't use the TV remote for gaming, because the new TV remote doesn't have any motion controls. But all Apple products are compatible with Bluetooth gaming controllers. This has been the unboxing and first impressions of the new Apple TV 4K. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.